Breaking Knott's Berry Farm news. Construction is upon us at Montezooma. This is why we're back here at Knott's Berry Farm. They're doing the Ghost Tunnel Lifestyle. But today is all about updates. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's see what's new and updated and exciting to Knott's Berry Farm. Let's go. From what I can see, they look like they're charging the Beagle Express Railroad. That's awesome. I get to finally see how in the world it charges. I would love for them to actually know how many rotations this can go before, the battery gets done. But last time I was here, it said 174. Maybe it's 200 rotation? I don't know. That's pretty cool to see.
Oh, we're getting brand new paint jobs. Look at this, brand new paint jobs. All right, we got 2 more banner signages for the Camp Snoopy Jamboree. And we also have an exit that they're gonna be basically putting up soon. So they're getting the line queue ready as well. Okay, now regarding the Beagle Express, do you guys really think, because of the 27th being only 10 days away from where I'm recording today, do you really think we're probably gonna be getting a covered bridge here? Let me know in the comment section below.
Here we go, man. TenderPaw. It's a hop, skip, and a jump away. I say that a million times, but this time, I'm pretty much 80% sure it's a hop, skip, and a jump away from actually just testing it out. We get lookout posts right there with all the little WoodStocks. Now, that's the one thing. They have a brand new popcorn bucket. That's the WoodStock. I wish it had a little Beagle hat on its head, because there was such a missed opportunity, because WoodStock is all the way around, all across this entire park. But now we get the line queue. So that picture right there, that right there is a line queue. That is awesome. We get a line queue in general. So it looks like it's going to be, you're gonna go over that bridge, and it starts after that bridge in general. So the line's gonna start hitting up that way. You're probably gonna get an opening where the rock fountain actually is here. You can go to the rapids, the little rapids here. But it looks like we're getting the line queue set up and ready to go. I just love seeing that giant lookout station with WoodStock like this looking out there. We get the flag waving. The cars are now on the track. We get the barricades now, the safety barricades. Safety is the yellow barricades. I always say this, and I will always say this, it's a massive overhaul here at Camp Snoopy, because we are just, from what I'm filming today, we are just 10 days away from the reopening of Camp Snoopy.
What in the world is happening at the Camp Snoopy Theater, man? I thought they were just saying it was gonna be picnic tables and umbrellas, but man, what in the world is that?
Oh man, does that mean we're possibly getting something here? Maybe like a greenery, maybe something here. Seeing that progress back over there, are we gonna get something potentially here?
So I have kept a close eye on this right here. Now we got the closure from the gates. They actually have the barrels now are pretty much pulled off. They're starting to actually, it looks like they're starting to work on that bridging in general. Finally, I have been reporting this for such a long time. Finally, we get some type of report.
All right, so I thought about this for a second. It was weird that Jaguar was down for quite some time, and I was wondering why. The only reason that they would actually have Jaguar down would be if they're officially working on Montezooma. And I was here for Ghost Tunnel Live, never once stepped inside of Camp Snoopy, and holy cow, the scaffolding is up. No, most of the walls where the Montezooma and the rally cars is down. So it's a lot happening. This right here is major progress about to happen. You know what? If this is what we're gonna be seeing, I just ate my word. Progress has officially arrived. Finally. We have been waiting for a long time to bring back Montezooma, and at least we get something.
Breaking news at Knott's Berry Farm. Not only do we get the scaffolding right in front of the Montezoomas, but right here as well. Starting to look like we're getting more and more scaffolding. They're starting to get it prepped up and ready to go. We're almost there. Now, if you actually look at the track for Montezooma, it's right next to the scaffolding. So if they're going to be working on this, probably for the most part, I'm going to say Jaguar is going to be down for quite some time. Someone's preparing for the hoedown.
That's right. Mr. Ricky and Miss Buttons.
Are we going to see you there?
I'm going to try to make it out there.
Well, we got lots of dancing.
There you go.
We'll see you later.
Especially a stripping team.
For me?
I will, definitely.
Just for you.
Thank you.
See you later. All right. There's still a lot happening here for Ghost Town Alive. It's a brand new store that they do have here, but for summer nights, it didn't actually start out good. That pizza, that was a no-go for me. No recommendation on that one for me. I had to stop by Papas Mexicanas because they never disappoint. This right here is the Mexican loaded fries. So these fries in general have pico de gallos, they have sour cream, they have beans, but it's also your choice of proteins. The reason why I say choice of protein is because you can get it carnitas, you can get it in carne asada, or you can get it in chicken. To maximize your dining plan, usually at the most part, you have to pay a $2 upcharge for chicken or for carne asada fries, but here, you can kind of hack that and basically just get the Mexican loaded fries and get carne asada on top of that without the upcharge. Presentation wise, is so much more better than that pizza over at Sutter's Pizza. Is the taste there. That's the one thing. That's the key. Round two. There's a lot of ingredients to this. It tastes really good. Would this be a recommendation? I would say definitely. The pico de gallo is really tasty. The carne asada is very seasoned. This is a pretty decent recommendations for your dining plan, for your tasting card, or just purchasing it in general.
I actually just stumbled upon this. Two more tombstones here. It says Tate Bonnet Fortune Banker 8X Outlaw. There is nothing quite wonderful as money. 1851 to 1893. And look, we got Peg Leg Cinch. Got into a pinch. Fell into the mine. Now he's out of time. Whoa.
Did they just mention that he was out of time? Does that mean this story derives from the Back to the Future? Is he talking about Doc? Is he talking about Marty? That's pretty cool. I love seeing brand new tombstones here. Like they actually brought in Ebenezer Scrooge for Scary Farm. That was pretty cool.
Our favorite miner.
Yes, it is. The one and only Whittles.
See, it wouldn't be Ghost Town Alive without seeing you, Mr. Whittles.
Absolutely. We love you, Whittles.
Oh, yes, we do. We really do.
Aw, so cute.
Oh, you gotta put him in the shade.
I mean, that's how I used to, but
Right.
I had like one of these.
All right.
Oh, you gotta take the umbrella down.
So,
Ronnie, I think that might be your strong suit since you got the muscles.
there you go. Oh, I saw it move. I saw it move at least. I saw it move. See, not only are they borrowing pies, but they want to borrow this too. I know. She wants you to do it.
Yeah, because you're the fraud.
Oh. Is it?
Oh, there we go.
Oh, there you go. All right.
Apple is releasing Camp Snoopy, the TV series. Now, they're gonna have a special screening at the Walter Knott Theater for the Camp Snoopy TV show.
You know, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure, dude. This is the way my dad actually drank his coffee.
Man, did we capture so much overhaul over at Knott's Berry Farm. They are really taking the June 27th very serious. Every single time I come back to Knott's Berry Farm, there is always something happening, something massive. Whoa. Talk about massive. I can't believe that they're starting construction or scaffolding at Montezooma. I thought for a second nothing was happening for Montezooma, and it's actually happening. If you guys thoroughly enjoyed this fun adventure, make sure you guys give this video an awesome thumbs up. If you guys haven't and want to follow me, trust me, I'm gonna be either here at Knott's Berry Farm or at some awesome events. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. Let's go.